In this video we will show you how to remove unwanted ads displayed by news-dimawi.cc website. Site notifications are pop-up ads that appear in the lower right-hand corner of your desktop. This is a legitimate feature present in most popular internet browsers. These notifications can be useful. For example, when you allow a legitimate news website to show you notifications, you will see breaking news stories in the lower right-hand corner of your screen. Unfortunately, deceptive marketers are exploiting this feature and tricking internet users into allowing notification ads and then bombard users with spam ads. This is the case with news-dimawi.cc website. Note that clicking on such ads could be dangerous because they can lead to various scam websites, installation of unwanted applications, or even malware infections. In this video, we will show you how to remove notification ads automatically and manually. Automatic removal. Download and install Combo Cleaner, a recommended anti-malware application. After installation, run a quick scan and remove detected threats and issues. Manual removal. How to disable website notifications in Google Chrome. Click the menu button on the right upper corner of the screen. Select Settings, and click on Privacy and Security section on the left-hand side. Go to Site Settings, scroll down, and select Notifications. Click on three dots on the right-hand side of each suspicious URL, and click Block or Remove. How to disable website notifications in Safari. Click Safari button on the left upper corner of the screen and select Preferences. Select the Websites tab and then select Notifications section on the left pane. Check for suspicious URLs and apply the Deny option for each. How to disable website notifications in Microsoft Edge. Click the menu button, three dots, on the right upper corner of the Edge window, and select Settings. Click on Cookies and Site Permissions in the toolbar on the left-hand side of the screen. Scroll down and select Notifications. Click on three dots on the right-hand side of each suspicious URL under Allow section, and click Block or Remove. How to disable website notifications in Mozilla Firefox. Click the menu button on the right upper corner of the screen. Select Settings, and click on Privacy and Security in the toolbar on the left-hand side of the screen. Scroll down to the Permissions section and click the Settings button next to Notifications. In the opened window, locate all suspicious URLs, click the drop-down menu and select Block. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.